Good afternoon. Myself, Dia. I'm doing my studies at NTTF, Tertiary. I'm a computer engineering second year student. My short term topic is big data, and I'm here to talk a few words on the topic big data. So before going to the term big data, we'll go to first we'll see the contents that I'm going to take. Introduction, what is big data, characteristics, types of big data, application, the difference between traditional data and big data. So before going to the term big data, let me come to the word data. I know that all of you will come across the word data. Data is a set of characters that has been gathered and translated for some purpose. Actually, data is raw facts and figures. They are the collected observations. They can be in the form of text, videos, audios, etc. So, next, big data. Big data is something that is going to rule the IT field. It's the next big thing that is going to happen. Firms like Google Pay, eBay, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. are built around the big data from the beginning itself. Do you all know that 40 hexabytes of data is generated by a mobile phone every month? As per IDC report, new data created per each person per second by 2025 will be around 175 zettabytes. 1 zettabyte is equal to 3 trillion gigabytes. So you can understand that the generation of data is so large that is so hard for a manual computing to store it. So that is big data. Big data are those data that is too large that is complex to deal with. They are huge in volume. They rapidly grow over time. John R. Massey is considered to be the father of big data. Now, I'll explain with an example. Walmart handles more than 1 million customer transactions every hour. Walmart is a multinational American company which deals with which acts as a wholesaler as well as a retailer. It's a grocery shop. So Walmart handles more than 1 million customer transactions every hour. Facebook handles 40 billion photos from its user database. Snapchat, I know that all of you will be familiar with the Snapchat application. 2.4 million snaps are sent in Snapchat per minute, and 4.5 billions of videos are watched in YouTube in per minute. So, next we'll discuss the characteristics of big data. Characteristics of big data can be explained with 5 V's. First V for volume, variety, value, velocity, and veracity. Volume stands for the amount of data, the huge amount of data. Variety stands for the type of data, big data available, like structured data, unstructured, and semi-structured. That's the next topic we are going to discuss. Then value. Value is the benefits that is generated from the data. Then velocity is the speed at which the data is transformed or transmitted. And veracity stands for the trustworthiness and consistency of the data. Then now, the types of big data. There are 3 types of big data: unstructured, semi-structured, and structured data. So first we'll deal with unstructured data. As you can see the picture, unstructured data is a type of data structure which doesn't have a proper structure. Like any form of data that has no proper structure or an unknown form is known as unstructured data. This type of data is challenging to derive valuable insights from because of the raw nature of the data. Next is the semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is a type of data that consists both structured and unstructured data. They have a standard form, but that data cannot be defined. Next one is the structured data. The structured data is a data structure that has a well-defined structure. They are collected, stored, and analyzed, and they have a well-defined structure. In a well-defined structure. So next we can discuss the examples. Discuss with some examples. Structured data. I know that all of you know Excel sheets, SQL Server, database, etc. It's all structured data. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, etc. are unstructured data. And in semi-structured data, email is an example of semi-structured data. Now, we can discuss about the application areas of big data: banking and securities, communication and media entertainment, healthcare, manufacturing and natural resources, transportation, education, retail and wholesale, and insurance. Now, we can just go in some detail. So, big data in the healthcare industries. From fighting cure to cancer to detecting Ebola, big data has made a large effect in the healthcare industries. Now, we can customize our healthcare facilities. That is the application of big data. Also in e-commerce, we would like to customize the things that we want to buy. That is what big data has made the change in e-commerce field. Now, the last topic, the difference between traditional data and big data. Traditional data is actually generated at an enterprise level, whereas big data is generated out of an enterprise level. Traditional data is generated per hour or per day, whereas big data is generated frequently per second. Then the size of traditional data is so small and the size of big data is very big. Then traditional data deals with only structured data and big data deals with structured, semi-structured, unstructured data. Thank you.